Hi, Charlie again from Dragon Group China, and this is what a patent is for our designs and our intellectual property in the bird series. So already the government awarded that Dragon Group China is the original creator of these machines, and the patent is here. These are the original machines. These are your patents. And also, because I have seen a lot of gossip and everything, so we try to be the most honest as possible about machines, about giving you the best, about designing. But sometimes I talk to people around and then I give some ideas, and well, suddenly those ideas finish into this, right? And the gossip is that the machine works better than Hobby and than anything, and that the machine is 1500 watts. But I have it right here, your 9000. This is a 300 watts Elsten heater, which we use in the Bird B3 series. Now, this machine, the paperwork that I read and the people that I read online says that has 500 watts top heater. But I see here Elsten white lowest quality heater, 250 watts, which is exactly this one. That is the one we don't use in the Bird series, and which is more than half of the price of a high quality top heater from Elsten, which is this one. And you can read it on the side of your top heater. It's perfectly there, 250 watts heater. Elsten doesn't have white heaters in 500 watts for top heater. So I really get amused by people saying that there is more power in the LY machines. Well, I'm showing you here directly, because sometime before I talked to a friend about using these heaters, but as the person doesn't know anything about them, he just bought the cheap ones and put them in this machine. This is a bottom heater Elsten 1000 watts. Elsten HTS 1000 watts. This is a 1000 watts. And this is a shot ceramic, which is the proper glass to use on top of the heaters if you want to expand the area. I don't need to use it in my bird machines because I have enough preheating area. Heater, preheating area, 26 by 26. In my Bird 4K, preheating area in here. This is supposed to be a 1000 watts preheated, right? Supposedly to be this one, this Elsten German preheating. So let's see, 20 centimeters. And this glass supposed to be German. It's supposed to be a shot ceramic so it can spread the heat. But no, it's not. It's a common, easy to burn glass that is not a shot ceramic made in Germany. And what we find here, an Elsten HTS 800. This is not comparable with a bird machine. This is not patented technology that we have. This is something that you are believing that is 1500 watts. And if you want the proof, let's take the camera here and let's check those heaters. 800 watts, 800 watts, Elsten HTS. Glass which is not an expansion glass, just a protective fireplace glass. It's not Rovex, and a top heater which perfectly is a 250 watts heater. Lowest quality and the cheapest in the Elsten brand, which neither hobby nor bird use. We use high quality top heaters. So do not get into that boom of this LY that says that is better and is the improved version of something. It's not. It's just an opportunity someone that I give a secret is taking with your money. This is not a shot. This is not Elsten 1000. The top heater is not 500 watts. And that's what LY 9000 is. But of course, they have people in the forums and in internet paid to say that this is better, but it's not. We see it in front, machine with machine. So when you see the gossips online, or when some manufacturer suddenly tell you that they have 1000 preheater and 500 top heater, just make sure it's right, because it's not. So make your investments with real people that is telling you the truth, but don't go into this fake advertisement. This is not even a high quality glass. This is just a little fancy, that's all. But the development of the machine is just a cheap copy of what a bird machine is. This was Dragon Group China with the reality machine, one against the other. Stay tuned for more videos, because we have been around the world these months with the customers working, showing what the real machine does, and we will present it to you soon. I already take everything out for you. I showed the parts, and that's what LY 9000 is. This was Charlie from Dragon Group China.